A forum was held that invited legal and political specialists as well as activists to discuss the results and outcomes of the recent Constitutional Court verdict that annulled the National Assembly and upheld the one-vote decree. Our correspondent Sarah Farsclub was there at the forum with this report.
The Najla Al-Naqi Media Forum was held featuring participation from several prominent lawyers, politicians and activists to openly discuss the outcomes of the recent Constitutional Court ruling.
We've been talking about the Constitutional Court verdict, about the vote had been decided by an Amiri decree, which known in Kuwait by the one vote. Also, the court approved this decree, and it had become a law by the National Assembly and been actually endorsed by the Constitutional Court. The second is about the nulling of the Parliament, the National Assembly. It has been null and void. It had been by the court considered null and void for the election and no longer exist. And we've been discussing the legal and political background and impact and outcome of this verdict issued by the Constitutional Court. We all respect this verdict and we have to accept it because we are supposed to be in a democratic country, and this is one of the instrument to observe the laws and the government actions and the parliament also.
Well, it's interesting. It's a very nice gathering tonight. It's a mixed gathering, which is not. It's a norm of Kuwaiti society. It's rarely you see mixed gathering, but it's all knowledgeable people here. We are discussing, yesterday the declaration of the Constitution Court, Mahkamah Dasturiya, which came yesterday. So everybody is talking about yesterday about these legal declarations and what is the effect on the parliament and the dissolving of the parliament today. So it's interesting. We're discussing many issues tonight.
Following the ruling, His Highness the Emir Sheikh Sabah Al-Ahmad Al-Jaber Al-Sabah said in a speech that Kuwait was victorious, and he appreciated the people who expressed their principled positions and bore their national responsibility to enforcing democracy and complying with the constitution.
The Constitutional Court verdict has invalidated the Municipal Council elections 2013 and the National Higher Elections Committee. We are calling on His Highness the Prime Minister and the First Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Interior to speed up a decree to restore the Municipal Council elections, as it is responsible for most of the development plans in the country.
His Highness Sheikh Sabah called upon all the people to follow the footsteps of their fathers and their grandfathers and said this is the sound democratic practices that we seek to achieve to develop our democracy to best serve the interest of the nation and the citizens. Following the Constitutional Court ruling, this forum was organized to provide a platform for politicians, law experts and activists to openly discuss the decision and the current political situation in Kuwait. From the Najla Al-Naqi headquarters in Salwa area, this is Sarah Glubb reporting for English News.